What is going on, guys? I got another video here of unboxings. These are just kind of things I got off eBay over the past month or so. I like to buy lots. I work overnight shifts, so it kills a lot of time just going on eBay, putting cheap bids on stuff. You win, you lose, you lose. Keeps me entertained. I don't have any comics in my collection, so I did buy a comic lot here. Do apologize, it's hard to see the top of it without scrunching it at all. So we got Superman and Wonder Woman. We got Superman, the 10-cent adventure. My gosh, what a deal. March 2003. What is this from? Doesn't really say right off the bat for me. I guess I'm going to have to get that trash off the ground already because the cat is getting at it. And let's see what we have here. The World of Smallville, 75 cents, April 88. Isn't that awesome? Then we got the Superman Man of Steel. $2 comic. 1999. Very awesome. And then we got, ooh, I like this cover art. Wonder Woman. Looks like she's kicking his butt. Very cool, very cool. Can't fully tell what year. It just says, oh, December 04. We got Superman the Earth Stealer. Sorry, I'm going to angle it a bit there. And then Superman Batman #2. Very cool. We got this handsome fella. Batman Superman. Oh, this is #1. Very nice. And we got this. Thought I'd convince my fiance that we could keep this one. I think she'll like it. December 96, very cool. We're getting married October of next year, so kind of just a showpiece for me. It's really why I got the lot. This is really what I could see when I bought it. Very excited about this one. Keeping it to the side here. And then last but not least, we have Superman, the Man of Steel, July 99. So very cool comic lot there. Like I said, I don't actually own any comics, so just kind of wanted to have another little something in the collection. And then I do apologize. Some of these have fantastic tape jobs, so do bear with me a moment while I open some. And I'll remember once I open them, but lots of these, I'm not 100% sure what it was. Again, it's very late at night when I bid on these, you know. I win while I'm asleep at home. So let's see what we got in here. Alright, so we have... I ordered a Yu-Gi-Oh! Lot. Didn't even know, huh? So let's see what we have here. This is their card. Not sure if I'm allowed to show that on here. But so we have some foils. Look at these shiny boys. Always a sucker for the shine. Now I do play a lot of this on my phone. Don't have the biggest collection. I really like those special sign shiny ones. Oh, maybe I guess they all are that shiny. I just gotta get the right lighting. But yeah, wow. Beautiful right there. It looks like this will just be the common uncommon lot. Like I spent my morning playing Yu-Gi-Oh! For a couple hours. Get my dailies done, you know. Get the grind in. So these no holographics, I don't believe. These are probably the common, you know, uncommon kind of thing. But just great to always have. Seeing some doubles. So we can get rid of those. Like get rid. I mean, I like to do some eBay lots if you're interested. I'm just starting my store, so it is very small. But if you're interested, feel free to take a look. And then let's see what else we got in here. Bunch of Natura. And then pretty good amount of dupes, but you know, what That's not really what we tried to get for. These are the bad boys we tried to get for, because they are just beautiful and shiny. Which is, I'm sure most collectors, is a weakness for us. And on this one is just Anthony Rizzo rookie card. I'm a big Anthony Rizzo fan. I was a Cubs fan ever since I was little, probably because they had bears as mascots, and well, that's adorable. But unfortunately, he's on the Yankees now, and the Cubs are terrible. So, but I still collect the Anthony Rizzos. I have quite the collection in my in my closet here. But we'll see. We'll see how he does for the rest of the career. I got my one World Series win. That's all I really need, you know? Interesting little case here. Sorry, the cats are always going to be messing with my trash here, so if you see me get up a couple times. So those little brats will leave it alone. It's quite the job here. We got tape, bubble tape. I guess I could show you here, huh? Another layer. Ooh. Sorry to keep going off screen here, but I don't think you want to watch me struggle. Yeah, you probably do, but opening some of these can be quite a chore. Let's see what I have here. Oh yeah. So again, I go for very cheap lots. That's what I look for. It's fun to me. Makes it so I can get a few things and not, you know, spend my whole paycheck. But here's just a little Rob Gronkowski lot here. Nothing big, you know, very cheap cards, but it costs nothing. My friend, you know, was a big Patriots fan, so let's see, you know. And we got this purple packaging here. Very easy to open. Love that. Well, maybe I spoke too soon. It's quite packed in here, so I've got to rip the sides a bit. Again, sorry for ripping these off screen. Just for security purposes, I did black out all the addresses and everything, but... Ooh! Now, again, I am very into football. That's my big sport. Baseball, I do enjoy, but I usually burn out halfway through the season. I won't lie. But basketball, I don't have many great cards, but I got this little lot here, LaMelo Ball. Lots of shininess, always a sucker for it, but it was the orange lot here is what I basically was aiming for. Love orange, favorite color. So I had to get the lot. Very cool, very good looking, so shiny. So we have that. So we got, so far, Yu-Gi-Oh! Comics, basketball, football. And then let's see what we got in this lot here. Almost like Christmas, you know? A little bit of everything. So I got it nice and secured in here. Forgot this came with a nice little protector. I'll be 100% honest. I don't even know who this guy is. But got it cheap. It comes in a nice little case here. It's serial numbered out of 50. Autoed. So nice card. Nice case. Cheap. So now, you know, add that to the list. We got UFC. Well, this big lot, I do know it's a mix of stuff. So we'll see what all we got in here. All right. Look at that. You wouldn't believe it, bubble tape. So, let's see what we have to start here. It looks like some My Hero Academia cards. Oh my, this is a lot. So, we got Transformers cards. These things are ginormous. Look at these things. don't even know the game that this is. Oh, the back has something on it too. So those are big cards. Just wait till you see this Pokemon card coming out soon. Let me just throw some trash out real quick because the cat's licking the bags. The one with the plastic bag licking addiction. It happens, you know? And then we got these, which looks... These are also the Transformers. There's 2 cards in each one of these. These are the My Hero Academias. Cards, a bit bent, but, you know, this is kind of for fun, so... One of my favorites from My Hero Academia. Not a huge watcher of it, but I did finish 2 seasons. Now we got this beast of an Electroid. My goodness, look at this guy. We got this sealed product here. Transformers. Oh, there's something else in there, but we'll keep that sealed. Add this guy over here as well. See, these are the lots I like. Just a little bit of everything. Keeps it interesting. So here, I apologize for the cat. That's the one that can't stop licking. So this is MetaZoo. I have maybe 3 packs of these. Not much. I'll be honest, again, I'm not 100% sure what I'm looking for here. But one of my night audit shifts will, I will become a wizard at such things, Harry. Death. 3 per spellbook. So you guys might see something exciting here. But, to me, I'm unsure. You know, it's just another, oh, by the way, that's what the back looks like. Another TCG game that I gotta figure out how to play. You know, there's clearly land cards. Sorry, my cat is attacking all the bubble wrap. I saw maybe a couple duplicates, but that's all for that. Oh, this was so beautifully packaged in here. Oh god, I ripped it. That's fine. So there's that. Now, what do we got in here? Looks like he stuffed these to the brim. This guy's gonna... Oh, just to fill out some spacing, I'm sure. But yeah. So, this is all in Japanese, I know that much. Shoot, what was it called? It says Dimension Zero on the back here, but something with a C or a K, I want to say. We got lots of dupes, but interesting cards. Again, I apologize for my cat in the background, even though she's adorable, so I'm sure not the worst thing. But yeah, dupes. Love comic books. I mean, like Marvel, everything. Hey, get out of here. Sorry, you guys probably know if you've watched my other videos. My cats like to get into things up here. Get out of here. We're mid-video. Wait till after. I don't care about after. Alright, so this looks like to be a Dragon Ball. Yeah, we're gonna have to rip ya. Oh, hurts to do, but... So now we got Dragon Ball. So these ones are protected. Wonder if, I mean, this one's shiny. I'm gonna have to look those up, see if those are rare or anything like that. Oh, got back to My Hero Academia. So much to learn. But you know, it's always nice to have a deck. I love deck building. It's my, ooh, we're gonna hold that to the side, get that in a case for that shine there. I'm seeing another one. Endeavor. Got the, so you can kind of see the shine there. Hey. Sorry, I blew her away. Manly friendship. Oh, I like the look of that. I have to try and rewatch that show, get back into it. So now we have Marvel Ultimate Battles. So, you know, anybody challenges me to any kind of duel, I'm like, I got you. Let me make a deck. These are pretty cool, though. Pretty standard looking. I'm not thinking, you know, this one's got like a different border on it, but I doubt these are worth very much, you know? But take a look into it, see how rare some of these are. I really like these ones. The art on there is pretty cool. Bum. Nightcrawler. These two goofs. Also, I hope by a few videos from now I'm gonna get a new camera so you can read everything perfectly next time. Spider-Man and Venom. Look at the Hulk. Looks kind of strange in that one. I know it's the art style, but there's my boy Hulk. Hulk Smash. Human Torch. See, different border again, but the same card, so maybe it wasn't special. Never know until we look into it. Now we got more Transformers. Oh. So we've got some hollows. Oh, wow, lots of them. Blast it. And then we got these still packaged. I might just keep it those as is, because that is, it's rare I get something still in the package, because I buy a lot of used lots, you know, and so it's usually pretty rare I get something still in what it came in. Oh, here we go. These are the cool looking ones. Yeah, see, I really like the art style on these. Oh, lots of the same, but looks great. See, these I love to keep as a collection, just because they look great. Spider-Man. Evil Iron Man. Avengers Assemble. Really like those. Those might be my favorite so far. Ooh, this is shiny. So we got shiny. Ooh, these are all shiny. Careful with them a little. Oh, love that. Oh, these are really cool. Have to get those into some covers here. And this looks like movie art, which I'm not a huge fan of. On cards, it's not my biggest thing. It's like, you know, real pictures from the movies on here. More like the cartoon. But still neat. I like those first foil cards. So I did like those holo cards. These, not so much, but still pretty cool looking nonetheless. We got a little bit of a Yu-Gi-Oh lot here. Sorry about the mess here. It's just so my cat's not just bringing it all over the house. Little Trooper. 3,000 needles. 3,000 attack. Goodness gracious. So I kind of already like this better than that Yu-Gi-Oh lot that I got earlier. Well, the non-foil part at least. Unfortunately, a long time ago, I sold a lot of my Pokemon and Yu-Gi-Oh cards so I could move at the time. Which nowadays, I can only imagine how much they're worth, but life happens and needed to be done. So kind of why I grabbed these little lots here and there, just to kind of refill, get that nostalgia back. See, nostalgia. Speaking of nostalgia, there's some very old Yu-Gi-Oh cards, originals. Secret Sector Drew. How they still come up with art and names is beyond me still. Lots of more creative minds in this world than me. That's why I do unboxing videos. I'm not a creative guy. Just want to show people. Hopefully you get, maybe not the same joy I get from opening these, but at least some pleasure and joy watching these. Especially lots like this. I just think it's fun to go through. Get. Back to the cool art. So we got Spider-Man. Movie art. Cat. Big animal fan. So yeah, these are movie art. Not too exciting to me. Love Captain America though. That's my boy. In the section, comment your favorite superheroes. I'm a big Doctor Strange fan as well. Lots of dupes. That's okay. Alright. Oh boy. So sorry about that, folks. Oh dear. You know, I never said I was a cameraman, alright? Teen Titans collectible game. Man, a little bit of everything in this, huh? So, we got the Shiny Robin. Putting these off to the side so I can put everything in sleeves. No. Oh, goodness gracious. I am so sorry again, guys. I am not a cameraman. I'm running out of room here. So these are cool. I'm sure a lot of dupes, but loved this show as a kid. I'm halfway through season 2 of the like adult show, I guess you could call it, on HBO. I'm enjoying it. I've heard there's a lot of criticism against it, but you know, it's always neat to me when they turn something I watched as a kid into something, you know, more adult, violent, that kind of stuff. It's always interested me. Sorry I'm flying through these. It's just another TCG I'm not sure the rules on or anything, but I would love to learn. Also, if you guys favor any of these, let me know. If one of these is better than the other, I'll definitely take a look into it. I always love learning these kind of games. Just always some kind of strategy, you know. Again, deck building huge for me. Let me just tear out the side here. Oh boy. All right. Empty. So these aren't movie art, so I love that. Love just the cartoon drawings. Ooh, the beast looking a little silly. Whoa, dupes. Look at those dupes. So again, just kind of neat. I won't lie to you. I'll probably just keep one apiece, just to kind of have in my collection. I love having all these different things, but I don't need all the duplicates. Depending on how into it I get, because, you know, if I'm building a deck, I want 2 of these bad boys. We got multi-Spideys. Alright. Running out of space here, but we are down to the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. Crazy how much came in this. Definitely giving this guy a great review. This is what I live for right here. Just opening random packs of stuff. Having fun doing it, you know? So, got something still in the pack, which is, again, just crazy to me. Love it. Ah, there we go again. Tricked. Great art, and then there's the movie. But, again, still pretty cool, but just not 100. Ooh, I am a Vision fan, so I will be saving one of those to the side. And they got the babes. Oh, cool art. I know there's a pile for this somewhere, but I'll just put you to the side there. Another piece of empty. Ooh, I see something shiny on the very end here. Let's see here. How many shinies? Alright. Good amount. We'll save that for the end there. So we got, again, I believe this is all Japanese. I like the art. No idea what it says, but I can see, you know, the attack and defense. Very cool cards. Dupes. But love the art. I'm sure the red and the blue mean something. I'm not sure. I could be wrong on this. I don't know if there's an English version of this out yet. I was kind of seeing online just some of these cool art here, and I didn't seem to find one in English, so maybe it's going to be a bit till it comes out. They got to see if it's going to popularize first. We'll see how that all goes. Then I'll just have to look up the cards, what they say. So we got the shinies. Ooh. I love the blue because I'm a big Sapphire fan as well. Give me orange, blue all day. Oh, dupe. But still, beautimous. Look at that shimmer. My goodness. And we're getting to the bottom here, folks. Almost running at 30 minutes on this video. Thanks for watching. Ooh, nice. So, these are real nice. Look at that. Probably should have worn gloves for this. Didn't know there would be so much shiny stuff. Duplicate the Venom card, Zerk. Love it. Sorry, these are just really cool. Really cool. Still shiny. Not as shiny, but still shiny. We got Finding Dory. Look at that. That is That's awesome. Oh, this is some interesting art. We got Thanos shiny. Groot. Ah, Vision, my boy. Captain America. Oh, that's pretty cool, Thor card. Love that. Love it. So those are real cool. Man, so much stuff on this table. It is crazy. Not sure how I'm gonna actually fit this all in my closet. We'll figure it out. One way or another. Alright, these seem to all have shiny and a nice sleeve on them already, so that's awesome. So cool. Love this. This whole thing is just awesome. Sorry I've said that probably 13,000 times in one video, but I just have such fun looking at all these cards. I'll go to organize them. I'll probably look at them again when I'm not on camera. Got, ooh, Ant-Man orange. I don't know if the orange means anything. We got these other shinies. I'll try not to touch them too much, but a lot of these are going to go into a collection of mine because these are just so sick. Got a couple dupes, so... You could feel these feel different than these. Different holographic style as well. Oh, beautiful. So pumped about this. These are really neat cards, even if I have no idea what they say. I mean, I don't have fun opening them. And blast. But, not least, hopefully. But we'll see. No idea what's in it. Oh, great Vision card. These are maybe all hollows, too. This is crazy. So many. Oh, no. Shiny. Oh, hard to tell from the glare, but yes, these are all shiny. Wow. Some dupes. Again, you know, it's from the movie. Don't really care too much. But oh, there's the Ant-Man orange again. Oh, this card. I was actually trying to get this card online because it's just great photo. Wow. So happy I got this lot. So much to add to the collection. Silly photo. I know that's technically movie-ish, but I'll take it. Awesome. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed all the interesting things we saw in this lot. Well, and all the others, but mostly that last one. So, you know, I gotta spend a lot of time putting all this junk away. It's not junk. I'm very excited. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, guys.